I'm Eric Klumperink, and I'm an associate professor at Twente University, and I'm the technical leader of the 6G-REFERENCE project, where we work on distributed MIMO systems where multiple radio units are wirelessly connected, so not with a fiber or wires, and still coherently, jointly try to transmit or receive signals, which is extremely difficult because it needs kind of picosecond alignment. Also, this is very relevant for radar-like performance when you want to do multi-static sensing. And we are exploring the possibilities in hardware with new phase lock loop techniques and alignment techniques to see how far we can push it in frequency, time, and phase.